I saw a city burn in a distant light. I saw hunters dreaming of purple sky. Saw the war we fought become my own fight. I feel the fire in the night. Do you feel it too? Burning inside of you, burning inside of you, burning inside of you. Burning inside of you, I'm burning inside of you, burning inside of you. Echoes, echoes, the echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes, the echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes, the echoes will guide me through. The echoes will guide me through. I've been here so long, I lost track of time. I was born in the blood the day I arrived. War is my faith till I see past this life. I'm burning inside of you, drenching my clothes in you. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. I'm burning inside of you, drenching my clothes in you. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. Echoes, 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 echoes. The echoes will guide me through. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. The echoes will guide me through. The echoes will guide me through. Echoes, echoes. Into the water, hey oh, miles away from our home. Roll now, heathen roll, burning water, friends and foes. The gods shall hear us roar, whispers of an ancient lore. Tired since before, mend my wounds and heal my bones. So roll now, burning water, friends and foes. So roll now, burning water, friends and foes. Like fires in your foes, sing the song of steel and snow. Dying for a goat, mend my first and heal my rose. So roll now, heathen row, burning water, friends and foes. Roll now, heathen row, burning water, friends and foes.
drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and wasted away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck in for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Rolling and I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not tame. I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you. Ripping hard and more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more flesh. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not tame. I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. Taking over, yeah, I'm a slave for you.
Everything ends except for the master.
I accept your challenge, arrogant pup.